How to transfer Roblox account to another device. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com/login and then you'll find this kind of interface. From here, you want to go ahead and select use another device and then you'll be able to find option 1 and option 2, where option 1 provides you a QR code, but option 2 provides a sign in code. So you want to go ahead and open your mobile device and then simply scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, you'll then be able to find confirm login in your mobile device. So go ahead and tap on confirm login in your phone, and just like so, you'll then be able to log in to Roblox on your PC. That is simply how to transfer Roblox account to another device. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.